Thank you for the introduction. For some context, SeeChange grew out of an ARM incubation unit with the company spinning out last September, though we do remain a wholly owned subsidiary. We're developing vertical solutions for various markets where artificial intelligence algorithms running at the edge can make a real difference, typically delivering real-time notifications based on insight from computer vision pipelines. We've worked on smart cities and healthcare solutions, but our focus right now is on delivering applications that target retail stores. Now, the applications we're developing follow a fairly typical edge-to-cloud model. Typically multiple sensors, and that's going to be cameras on the whole, running at the edge with either local smart gateways or cloud servers running the algorithms. Metadata then comes from each stream being analyzed, with everything aggregated in the cloud. As a model, it's powerful and can deliver real value in many use cases. But the problem is less these days the development of the computer vision pipelines and more how solutions scale for real-world use cases. Key to this is often how models are trained or tuned. And being able to do this in real time, in situ, is becoming increasingly important for solutions to be commercially viable. So in this talk, I'm going to highlight two examples where the model tuning can be automated, at least to a degree.